In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Teachable website. We'll walk through the core areas you need to know so your school looks polished and feels great for your students. First, open your Teachable admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, head to Site. This is your home base for everything related to how your school looks and what visitors experience. From there, open Theme. Think of this as your school's visual foundation. Here, you control the overall look and feel colors, fonts, and layout options that keep your brand consistent across pages. Within Theme, go into Logo and Branding. This is where you upload your logo, set your brand colors, and adjust key visual elements so your school is instantly recognizable. Choose a clear, high-resolution logo with a transparent background, and keep color contrast strong for readability and accessibility. When you've made changes, use Preview to see how everything comes together. Preview opens a live example of your site's look without affecting what your visitors currently see. Take a quick scan on both desktop and mobile views, then return to the editor to continue refining. Next, select Domains. This area is where you manage your school's web address. If you're using a custom domain, this is the place to review and maintain those settings so your audience can find you at a branded URL. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in professionalism. Now, go to Student Experience. This section focuses on what learners see and how they navigate. It influences the look of the course player and the overall flow once someone is enrolled, helping you create a smooth, distraction-free learning journey. Finally, Open Pages. Here, you manage the key pages of your school, like your homepage and other core site pages. This is where the visual decisions you made in Theme come to life. Keep layouts clean, headlines clear, and content scannable, so visitors immediately understand what you offer. That's it. You've explored site, theme, logo and branding, preview, domains, student experience, and pages, the essentials for a professional, teachable website.